everyone, today we're going to be doing something really fun. We're going to be coloring in some really fun decals, and we're going to be using these new Sweet Treat decals from Nails Truly, and they're part of the Color With Me collection. And we're going to be making a set of press-ons, and I'm going to show you how to color some decals. The first thing you'll need is a jelly stamper, tons of lint-free wipes, and then you're going to need some either dotting tools or nail art brushes. The finer the brush, the better, and then some fun pops of color for your gel polish. And then we're going to start out with this little candy guy right here. We're going to dip it into the water. Room temperature is going to be the best type of water for your decal. Leave it in there for about 30 seconds. Then you're going to carefully take that decal, place it on the lint-free wipe, and let all that extra water absorb for about 10 seconds. And then you're going to go ahead and place that decal on the jelly stamper and carefully remove that backing. If it does not come off as easy as you just saw it there, place that decal back in the water. And now we're just making sure that we're completely drying off that decal. You want this decal as dry as it can be, otherwise your gel polish is going to run and you're not going to get a really good pigment payoff. So right now I am indecisive on what colors I want to use, so I'm just putting a whole bunch out on this little palette. So then I have a whole bunch of colors to work with, because the hardest part of this whole mani is going to be what colors to color in these really fun decals. So then I'm going to go ahead and take this brush, and again, you don't have to use a nail art brush, you can use a dotting tool as well, and then carefully fill in that decal. So we're going to start out with this bright pink, and I'm just going to go ahead and focus on that line. And you don't have to worry about being perfectly in the lines with that middle line there. You can kind of see that it's not perfectly straight and I'm kind of out of the lines. But when you flip the jelly stamper over and when you put that decal on your nail, you're not going to see that you are out of the lines. It's all going to come together and look really awesome. And then to clean off my art brush, I'm going to go ahead and take a lint-free wipe that is dry, and I'm just going to wipe off the brush, and then I can go ahead in with another color. Another trick, so now that we are moving on to a different color and we're filling in that area next to that hot pink line that we just drew, if you are worried about bumping that hot pink line or having that gel polish kind of flow into that hot pink line, you can flash cure that section first, and then once you flash cure it, go in with another color. That is something that you can do as well. The options are endless when you are coloring in these decals. You can use as many colors as you want. You can use all one color. Again, options are endless, and these are super fun. So I am now going in with an orange to fill in that other side of that candy. And you can see here that I'm completely covering in all those lines that are on the back of the decal. And then after that, we're going to go ahead and fill in that little twist in that candy wrapper, and we're going to go back in with some hot pink for that. Now you don't have to be, again, the same thing applies exactly in the lines. It's all going to come out together when we stamp this decal onto that nail. So then after that, we are done painting, I'm going to go ahead and then place this jelly stamper in the lamp and cure it for 30 seconds to cure this gel polish completely. So this is what the finished painted decal looks like before curing. And then I'm just going to go ahead and pop that into the light, and we're going to go ahead and place some nail art foil glue onto the nail. Now this is going to help really make that decal lay super flat to the nail. So after you apply that nail foil glue to the nail, you do cure it for 60 seconds, and then after you cure it, you are ready to go ahead and place this decal on the nail. And check out how cute is this decal. You can see that those lines look awesome. And then I did the rest of the decals off camera, and how fun are these decals? The Color With Me collection from Nails Truly is so fun and unique and amazing. And if you struggle with reverse stamping, this is going to be your jam, because you don't have to worry about getting that stamper image perfectly on that stamper and then painting it and then not having that full image transfer to the nail. This is really going to be a game changer to get that perfect fun Color With Me decal look. It's going to be really simple and effortlessly. Like I said, the hardest color or part of this whole mani process was picking out the color. And these fun decals are releasing today with Nails Truly. I will go ahead and link everything that we use in today's video in that description box below, including all the information for Nails Truly. There is a Facebook group, which if you head over there, you can see other inspiration for manis with the Color Me decals, and then you can see some other manis with some other amazing decals that Nails Truly has to offer. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's upload.